Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. This is an intermediate level course on deep learning, where you will get a chance to dig deeper into the concepts. To get a clear idea, watch the following animation video.
In the intermediate level course, you will learn more about the basic concepts taught in the beginner level course. You will be introduced to image classification with Cifar Dataset. Under this concept, you will learn about Cifar Dataset, how the data is splitted, applying data augmentation, and training the model for limited epochs and check performance. Next, you will be introduced to transfer learning and standard architectures. Under transfer learning, you will learn the need of transfer learning, batch normalization importance, and the importance of validation sets. Under standard architectures, you will learn what VGG 16 is, ResNet, Mobile Net 2, and the problems in VGG architectures. In the end, you will be introduced to the concept of binary classification. Under this concept, you learn exploring Inception architecture and cat versus dogs using transfer learning and Inception model.
All the best! Never stop learning!